Good day, everyone. We are here today to discuss about the types of in the entrepreneurship, types of socio-economic benefits for entrepreneurship. Uh, First is socio-economic benefits from entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship is a driving force for economic growth and societal development. It offers numerous socio-economic benefits that contributes to overall well-being of a community. The economic benefits are the job creation. Entrepreneurs establish businesses creating employment opportunities for themselves and others. This reduces unemployment rates and boosts local economies. Second, innovation and economic growth. Entrepreneurship often in, introduce new products, services, and or technologies, stimulating economic growth and fostering innovations. Third is increased competition. Entrepreneurship can increase competition in markets, leading to lower prices, improved quality, and greater consumer choices. And the fourth is tax revenue. Businesses pay tax, which contribute to government revenue and fund public services like education, healthcare, and infrastructure. These are the economic benefits of the entrepreneurs, like job creation. In a certain place, they can hire the local people so that they can help the local people get some jobs. Innovation and economic growth, they innovate something, increase competition. They get, if there's so many competing in one product, they're gonna lower the price. So even though they lower the price, they still have the quality of the product. And tax revenue. The tax collected by the government in these businesses can help the economy to be stable. The social benefits are community development. Entrepreneurs may invest in their communities by supporting local initiatives, sponsoring events, or providing charitable contributions. The second is empowerment and self sufficiency. Entrepreneurship can empower individuals by providing them with the opportunity to be self sufficient and achieve financial independence. Social change. Entrepreneurs can address social problems by developing products or services that meet the needs or underserved community or promote sustainable practices. Improve quality of life. Entrepreneurship can lead an increased standard of living for individual families as well as improve access to goods and services. Additional benefits: risk taking and resilience. Entrepreneurs often demonstrate a willingness to take risks and persevere through challenges, fostering a culture of resilience and adaptability. Leadership and development. Entrepreneurs can develop leadership skills such as decision making, problem solving, and team building. Personal fulfillment. Entrepreneurs can provide a sense of purpose and fulfillment to personal satisfaction. Attributes and qualities of a attribute qualities and characteristics of an entrepreneur. Entrepreneurs are individuals who identify opportunities, create business, and assume the risk associated with them. They possess unique attributes, qualities, and characteristics that set them apart. Key qualities of an entrepreneur. Self-discipline. First is self-discipline. They disciplined and able to manage their time and resources effectively. Adaptability of entrepreneurs are flexible and can adjust to changing circumstances. And leadership, they have a strong leadership skills and can inspire and motivate others. And fourth is communication. Effective communication is essential for building relationship and conveying ideas. Fifth is decision making. Uh, Entrepreneurs are able to make informed and timely decisions. And there's This is the characteristics of an entrepreneur. Self-belief, self-belief entrepreneurs have a strong belief in themselves and their abilities, which helps them overcome self-doubt and persevere through challenges. Tenacity, they are persistent and determined, refusing to give up on their goals even in the face of adversity. Perseverance, they have the ability to stay focused and committed to their vision even when faced with setbacks or obstacles. Curiosity, entrepreneurs are naturally curious and inquisitive, always seeking new knowledge and opportunities. Drive, they possess a strong drive and ambition to succeed, motivating them to work hard and achieve their goals.
Appraising yourself for an entrepreneurial career. Before embarking on an entrepreneurial journey, it's essential to assess your own strengths, weaknesses, and suitability for the role. Self-assessment. Passion and motivation. Do you have a deep-rooted passion for your business idea? Are you motivated to work long hours and overcome challenges? Risk tolerance. Are you comfortable with taking calculated risks? Can you handle the uncertainty and potential financial losses associated with entrepreneurship? Problem solving skills. Do you enjoy solving problems and finding creative solutions? Can you think critically and adapt to changing circumstances? Self discipline and time management. Can you effectively manage your time and stay focused on your goals? Do you have the self discipline to work independently and meet deadlines? Leadership and communication skills. Can you inspire and motivate others? Do you have a strong communication and interpersonal skills? Market analysis. Market demand. Is there a demand for your product or service? Have you conducted market research to validate your idea? Competition. Who are your competitors? And what makes your offering unique? How will you differentiate yourself from the competition? Target market. Who is your ideal customer? Do you understand their needs, wants, and preferences? Financial planning. Startup costs. How much capital will you need to launch your business? Have you developed a detailed financial plan? Funding sources. How will you finance your business? Are you prepared to seek funding from investors, lenders, or personal savings? Profitability. Can you realistically project a profitable future for your business? Have you considered potential revenue streams and expenses? Personal and professional network. Support system. Do you have a strong support system of family, friends, or mentors who can offer advice and encouragement? Professional network. Have you built relationships with industry professionals who can provide guidance and opportunities?
So that's all. Thank you for listening.